Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with what's new at Dollar Tree and a haul. Okay, it's a haul, Dollar Tree haul slash what's new. Okay, first off, we have this cute little um, birdhouse. Really, really cute. Then we have this huge ornament along with this huge ornament. I have some ideas for this. Little birdhouse, not sure yet. Then we have this cute little ice skate here with the black buffalo check. We have red and black buffalo check. Let's see what else. We have a little wooden gnome. I finally found the Crafter Square craft scraper. I've been seeing people haul this and I haven't seen it. Finally got it. Then we have these cute little ornaments. Well, this doesn't go there. We have those two. Then we have this set of skis in white. We have this piece here. It's a clip. It's a pine, decorative pine clip with some cotton here and some berries. Here's another well, pine clip like that one. Then we have this pine clip with a gift, a drum, and a pine cone. We have some more of these, but this one has deer on it. The other one had stars on it. Then we have some jingle bells. Here's some snowman. It's wooden shapes, but to me it's a snowman. Then we have this little gnome here. I also stocked up on some batteries. Also stocked up on my favorite pens and blue. Quill. And black. And then we have two different little wooden sleighs from Dollar Tree. This one needs to go back in a little bit. There we go. So these I have ideas for. When I saw them in the store, I'm like, yes, gotta get them, gotta get them. So this is my Dollar Tree haul. And all this is, except for the batteries and the pens, are all new at my Dollar Tree. I don't know about yours, but you may want to check their website for your area and see what they have new. I will be checking the website for my area to see for more new items and do a video on those new items. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And please do hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of any new content that I upload when I go live or when I do premiere. Um, hmm. Please be crafty, be blessed, be caring, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye bye for now, crafty angels.